Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can make a Google Sheet editable. Let's get started. Open your Google Sheets app on your phone, and after that you have to choose the file that you want to make it editable, and I'm going to choose this file. And on the file that you want to make it editable, you can click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for you, and you have to choose manage access right here, and you have to click on general access. You have to change the permission, and you can click on this option and choose anyone with the link, and wait for a moment, it's still updating. Alright, and now the permission updated, and if you want to make your Google Sheet editable, you can click on viewer option right here, and you have to choose editor to make your file can be edited by another user. And wait for a moment. Alright, and now the other users can edit your file. Okay guys, that's the tutorial for today. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.